Ways to show up for yourself. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Ways to show up for yourself. Commit to habits, routines, rituals, and practice that are good for your mental, spiritual, financial, physical health. Practice the habit, of listening to your needs. It's so important. Oh God, it's so hot here. Don't forget to make yourself a priority in your own life. Always remember that. Always. It's so important. Take care of your basic needs. Sleep well, drink enough water, eat healthy, exercise regularly, dance, spend quality time with yourself, watch a documentary, journal, take a walk, meditate, dance is so important. It's a conversation between your soul, your body, and your mind. Express your true feelings right every and each day. It helps you so much. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. Be happy and proud of yourself. And the important thing, finish what you've started. Finish what you've started. Okay? So, dear unique, if you like my video, share and write a comment for me, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. So always remember, there is only one you. از تو فقط یه دونه وجود داره. Yeah. Remember, no one can take your place. And you cannot take someone else's place too. Okay? Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Amira Rani. Bye.